Hi, welcome to back my Vijaya tutorial point. Today is the unboxing video. I upgrade my PC cabinet. That's why I will purchase this Amazon. I purchase Amazon. This cabinet is to cost is around in 2000. Hi, welcome to back my channel Vijay Tutorial. Today I will upgrade my PC cabinet. That's why I purchased this cabinet in Amazon. It is around in price is the 6500 nearly. The original price is I brought in the discount 72% discount after 1900 only in Amazon. This is the Circle Amazer X1 ARGB Acolyte panel with 4 RGB fans is coming. What are these features I will tell you. This is a play level up circular gaming cabinet, Amazer X1 ARGB Acolyte panel, 4 RGB fans are coming. What are the specifications? This circular Amazer X1 ARGB mid-tower computer case gaming cabinet with ATX motherboard support, mini mother ATX support, ITX motherboard also supported. These are what are the specification of this cabinet form factors. The ATX and micro ATX, ITX all motherboards supported. The compatible motherboard ATX, micro ATX, ITX is supported. Power supply is not including this cabinet, you purchase separately. Material is the SPSC black steel, 0.5 mm thickness. The 6.5 internal, 3.5 internal hard disk, 2 support bearers are there. 2.5 internal SSD is 2 bays are there. Expansion slots are 7. The USB 2 is the 2 and USB 3 is the 1. The type C 2 port is not there in this cabinet. You observe the graphic card length. You purchase any graphic card, your motherboard depend on your cabinet which type graphic card supported, height and width. You observe the graphic card length is the 325 maximum. The CPU cooler height is the minimum. The any cooler height 165 maximum. The audio ports are HD audio ports are available. The 120 fans in front set. The ARGB fans including this cabinet is given freely. 3 ARGB fans 120 The 120 otherwise 140 top you can purchase. Otherwise you have not required, you don't use this option. The 120 140 fan in bottom also 2 fans are there. Total is the 7 fans RGB fans is providing this cabinet. The 3 fans is given the freely. This 2 plus 2 top and bottom, if you require this fans you can purchase, and this size 140 otherwise 120 you purchase and fix it. The liquid cooling radiation front is the required in the 360 The liquid cooling is the radiator in the top side is the 240 with ordinary memory. The liquid cooling radiator is the back side also 120 These are required in the you purchase any gaming cabinet. Those are the what are the graphic cards, how much height are supported. That's why you match that cabinet perfectly, and ventilation also perfectly. If you not purchase proper graphic card, proper fans, you cannot fit, is otherwise purchasing waste your money. The lighting ARGB with colors changing format reset button. The transparent panel side to print. The side to print transparent panel is there. Acolyte sheet also, the top side mesh also there. The power supply is the standard ATX supported. The chassis length 330 The chassis width is the 200 The chassis height is the 400 30 mm. The net weight is the 4.1 kg. Gross weight is the thermocol packing 4.9 kgs. These are the specification. Now I will show you open what are the inner side. Now I will open this parcel. I purchased it in Amazon 1900. You observe this. This is the one booklet is providing this one key sink and manual guide is this circular gaming cabinet. The specifications are providing this booklet. I already specifications tells this specifications all. The packing is very good. I will. You pull down this. Now I will show you this. This is the back side is the very nearly 2 centimeter height is the mounters are there, providing it the air ventilation. This CPU it long run use and long hours use depend on editing or any project for. The finishing also black graphite finishing is the powder coated body. This one the steel body is not iron body, that's why that cost. This is the top of the ventilation also there. You can fit two fans here 120 mm, otherwise 140 mm, two fans. The dust proof mesh also providing magnetic mesh. This front side 3 fans are providing. After I will install and upgradation, I will show you. The another side is the acrylic sheet also came this side. This is the power on off button and LED change button, and this one is the headphone button. This one is the speaker output, USB 3.1. This one, this is power off on button. The back side is the another fan is fixed this side. You observe this. This is the SMPS power supply is coming. Now I will open this cabinet. I will show you what is inside. Now I will show you this. Open the screws gently. That's 4 screws are there. You observe this screws also very costly screws. After that, lift this. This is the color sheet in crack proof film also fixed. The circular gaming cabinet. The inner side is there. This is the inner side. The 3 pans is provided. You observe this 3 pans. The back side is the another 1 pan is there. The inner side is the 3 pans is provided. Built-in 4 pans. RGB fans are. This side is the SMPS fixed. Front panel and LED wirings also there. Sockets are there. This cabinet, after I will upgrade my old cabinet to this cabinet, I will show you how to assemble, how to upgrade. My SMPS power supply is coming tomorrow, otherwise Saturday, Sunday. I will make that video. This is the only unboxing video. This spacious cabinet is providing the motherboard life and ventilation of the air. It is working performance is so useful to everyone. The nowadays gaming YouTube creators use this type of spaces and standard PC cabinets. The local cabinets should not support that much ventilation designing. Thank you. Please subscribe, please share, please comment. Our old channel is the Tech Dude 8481. My son is maintain that channel. Support that channel also. Thank you.